Well, the Grizzlies have struggled as of late, losing 8 of their last 9 games. Adding to the losing streak is off-court drama, and it's causing many to ask if the Grizzlies are distracted. So Avery Braxton reports from FedEx Forum.
In the middle of this losing stretch and the off-court distractions, of which there seem to be many, as of late, Ja Morant and Dillon Brooks were both requested by the media but not made available. So other players had to answer questions after practice, but distractions were still the theme of the day.
We weren't the best team in the world when we were 2-1, 11 games in a row. We're not the worst team now.
Grizzlies players put on a brave face and towed the company line at practice after losing their 8th game in their last 9 tries.
It's weird playing in the league. Like, there's ups and there's downs. And I think when you're going up, it's easy to stay up. When you're down, it's kind of easy to stay down. So I think we just kind of got to find a way to get back up.
The Grizzlies are down, and it seems like the rest of the league is kicking. Just before Sunday's loss to the Raptors, a report from The Athletic claimed associates of Ja Morant had an altercation with members of the Indiana Pacers, and that a slow-moving SUV, allegedly with Morant in it, shined a laser on some of those Pacers, who didn't know if it might be attached to a gun. The NBA investigated the incident but couldn't find proof of any weapons, and Morant tweeted that the Pacers were, quote, capping, end quote. It's the latest in a string of incidents this season, including a civil lawsuit against Morant and 3 on-court scuffles in a month. Asked if any of that has been distracting, players say no.
We're all grown. I think at this point, I think we're all past that. We are a pretty young team, but we're not super young. I think that, we've kind of grown past those, kind of issues.
When you lose, they come out, as more negative than they really are. When you win, you really forget about, if you miss a rotation, if you don't get some boards.
The catalyst to those alleged non-distractions, Morant and Dillon Brooks, were at practice on Monday but didn't talk to media. Taylor Jenkins says they aren't distracted either, or might be.
I don't think so. Maybe there's a little bit or something. They're the best ones to answer that. I think when I watch the film and I watch our guys compete, I'm not sitting there going, man, that incident that happened a week ago is the reason why we're struggling right now. It's where we've had lack of practice time and we've got guys in different roles and all that stuff. No excuses. We just got to find ways to combat that.
I did ask why Ja Morant was not made available to the media after that report was released from The Athletic. I was simply told there would be opportunities to speak with him tomorrow when the Grizzlies play the Chicago Bulls. From FedEx Forum, I'm Avery Braxton.